welcome back to another video, guys. Today me and Dan are moving to a new house, guys. Let me just go wake up Dan. I think he overslept, guys. Wakey wakey. So guys, Dan brought the Yule truck last night. So guys, um, we just need to, and we loaded the toolboxes into the Yule, guys. But guys, all we need to do now, guys, is I'm going to pull the gooseneck where the ATV is going to come in, guys. Then guys, Danny's going to put that trailer there. We are heading it out, guys. So yeah, guys, there are two ATVs at home, guys. The John Deere Gator and then the Yamaha Banshee, guys. Don't worry, the Yule company know that we are not stealing the trailers because we signed the papers last night, guys. So guys, I'm just going to go like this, then I'm going to go like this. And guys, the other reason why we are moving is because of the firefighter station that is right here, guys. Because the firefighter station, guys, every night you only hear the ambulances and that, guys. So guys, I'm going to move the mower into the back of the Yule trailer. The Yamaha Banshees right next to the John Deere Gator, guys, and Dan has a nice convertible Chevrolet, guys. Thanks, guys. Let's go. There we go, guys. I might have to ask Dan to put the Yamaha Banshee or the John Deere Gator in his trailer if one of them doesn't fit. So guys, I'm going to take the Yamaha Banshee real quick. And Dan can record the John Deere Gator. Just had a there, guys. So guys, our stuff is finally loaded up. So guys, the toolboxes are all loaded up, guys. Then guys, I'm just going to close the bedrooms. Dan, don't you remember we loaded the toolboxes in last night? Guys, I just think Dan wants to check if everything is in the toolboxes, guys. Looks like everything, guys, so I'm going to close there and throw the hams in, guys. Then we are going to hit the road, guys. And then got the pin location of where we are staying, guys. So guys, so I'm just going to wait till Dan gets on the road so I can follow him to the new house, guys. hopefully me and Dan's new location has a lot of room. So guys, then we can buy more toys and then we can also go buy some boats, guys. So guys, um, guys, excuse Dan's driving. That Yule is breaking power. Is really not strong, guys. So guys, I'm just going to put my parking back here. Alright guys, while Dan is studying there, guys, I'm going to go in here. And there's a shed for our toys, guys. So guys, I'm just going to go like this, guys. Then I'm going to park right there, guys. Then I'm going to open up the back, guys. And open there, guys. Okay guys, let me open the garage doors for Dan so that we can put his car inside of here, guys. Then guys, I'm going to go get the gator here. And then guys, I'm just going to unload the mower. Guys, our mower still needs some service. Oh my hell, guys. The engine died. So guys, I will push this just in here with Dan in the seating area. Or guys, Dan is a bit of a racist man when it comes to jokes. So guys, I'm going to close him in there. Then guys, I'm going to go and close the back of this. You'll try that then, guys. Guys, I just took out the mailbox, guys. It's not that big of a deal, guys. So time to go and return to the trailers, guys. Oh my, thanks, guys. Guys, it says the speed limit is only 65, but guys, I really like to go over the speed limit, guys. kilometers per hour, guys. It's very unsafe because other people may come and just drive in front of me. So guys, that bridge came out of nowhere, guys. I think it's a bug with APM, guys. But guys, guys, Dan says I'm a grandma driver. Guys, at least I drive better than him, guys. Last time I saw him drive, guys, he literally flew, flew, guys, from outer space to Earth, guys. So, guys, Dan is a very unsafe driver, guys. Guys, Dan says it's all jokes, but Dan gets the couch, guys, because in our last time I got the couch, guys. So, see you in another video, guys. Peace.